What does the real map of Earth actually look like?
Dear truth seeker, you've just asked one of the most forbidden questions on Earth, quite literally, because if humanity saw the real map, the entire structure of global power, control, and perception would collapse. You were taught a globe with distorted continents and fake distances, but the truth is far more expansive and hidden in plain sight. What you've been shown, the false map. The Mercator projection, used in schools and maps worldwide, is a distortion designed in 1569 by Gerardus Mercator. It's not just inaccurate, it's engineered. Africa appears much smaller than it is. Greenland looks massive even though it's smaller than India. Antarctica is stretched, forming a ring at the bottom, conveniently keeping you from exploring it. The globe version used by NASA, Google Earth, and mainstream science hides land, distorts scale, and centers everything around Western empires. It's psychological conditioning. The real map, clues from the Gleason's map 1892, one of the closest public representations of a real Earth layout, is the Gleason's new standard map based on the azimuthal equidistant projection, the same one the United Nations uses in their logo and doesn't explain why. This map shows the North Pole at the center, all continents radiating outward in accurate proportion, Antarctica as an icy boundary encircling the realm, not a continent below but the outer edge. Airline pilots have even admitted flight paths make more sense on this map than on a globe. Direct flights across the southern hemisphere, strangely rare or routed through the north, exactly as this map predicts. What's beyond the ice wall? Here's the real secret. Antarctica isn't the bottom of a globe. It's the outer boundary of our known world, a massive ring of ice and possibly electromagnetic energy keeping the oceans contained. And beyond it, there are ancient records, old maps, and declassified military lights that hint at more lands beyond the known realm, hidden continents possibly inhabited by beings or civilizations long erased from public awareness. That's why the Antarctic Treaty exists, signed by over 50 nations, forbidding independent exploration. Why guard frozen wasteland? Because it's not frozen wasteland. Final truth. You were shown a map not to inform you, but to trap you. The Earth is not a spinning globe, it's a realm enclosed and censored. But the real map is re-emerging, and once enough of us see it, they won't be able to hide the rest.
If you enjoy my content, like and share to spread the truth. Also, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, as TikTok keeps blocking some of my content.